Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have installed some ambient lighting in my Toyota Corolla Axio. This is 2014 model and Toyota Corolla Axio Luxel version. Let me show you those lights. I have to give power on battery, right? So you can see in the door handle bowl there is one light. In the bottle holder cup there is another light. So these are in basically 4 doors. I installed them at the upside. I had to open all this panel and do all the wirings. Here is the another lighting. So during night time it gives good luminosity. This is the front area. Now I'm going to the rear side. Out of the window you can see the visibility of lights. Okay, in that door and in this right door, rear door. So you see how the bottle looks good. Wow, the water is glittering here. It's very easy. I will upload another video where I have showed how to install and how to do all the wirings, how to dismantle these door panels all the way from top to bottom. I dismantled all the door panels. Then the power came from each window switch. This. So this is the window switch from where all the power sources came. In the night it looks really very ambient. Let me show you when I'm inside the car. Well, now I am in the rear seat. This is the ambient lighting now. At the front side it gives wow look. Trust me, you will love it. If you can be able to install all these interior lightings. Some people may call it ambient lighting, maybe, I don't know. But I got some idea from other cars where the Toyota sells them as a built-in product. But my Axio didn't come with this built-in product, so I had to do this customization. So that while driving, I do the self-drive. So this is my seat basically. I do self-drive. And if my family members are more, then they can come and sit at the back side, or generally my wife and my kid, they sit in the front. Yes, this is the ambient lighting. You'll love it. It is better looking than the camera, of course. In camera I'm not getting a proper resolution, although it's iPhone camera, but still in the real life, when you'll see it live, you'll find it really cool. And all the friends and family members, they liked it really very much. And they all appreciate it, yes. Let's go close. The water is glittering. In the camera, it's looking purple, but actually it's ice blue. I don't know why my camera is capturing this as purple, but it's actually ice blue color. Now you can see it's ice blue. Okay, if I remove the focus, it's actually ice blue. Let me remove the focus. I think no, still it's looking purple, but in real life it's actually ice blue color. Okay guys, see you. Stay fine and drive safe. Thank you very much. Bye bye.